Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to change your YouTube channel art from your iPhone. So let's start. First open a browser. Now go to studio.youtube.com and it will take you to your channel dashboard. This is your channel dashboard. Now tap on three bars on top left corner and tap on customization. Let me just zoom in so that you can see better. This magic wand icon is the customization button. Now tap on that. Now you can customize your channel. Now tap on branding and here you will see banner image. Now tap on change. Then select photo library. I have already designed a channel art for this channel and I have it on my phone. Now tap on choose on bottom right corner. Now it will show you a preview. Now tap done. Now tap on publish on top right hand side. And it takes a few moments to publish the changes. When it is done, it will show you a message at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on View Channel to see the changes. And it will open up the YouTube app and take you directly to your channel. And here you can see this is my new channel art. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.